Hey everyone, how's it going today? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to download, install, and use the SkillsBot recently developed by Skillsmaster and owned by Skillsmaster and I. And we can get this video done, so if it should address any of your questions, concerns, and if you're a beginner or you've never done this before, it should give you a very good idea of base by base on how to do it. So we're going to get started off by joining the Discord, which is going to be linked in the description. It's going to look like this, of course, and you're going to want to go to the top of bot info. This is all the information about the bot currently. It's going to be updated daily, and you're going to want to go to the GitHub. Once you get to the GitHub, I'm going to move this over to my second monitor. Clicked. You're going to see all this stuff. After you've done that, you're going to want to go to something that's called Discord Developer Portal. And because I've already signed up, it just shows me all the things that I've made. For you, it should just say sign up if you have never done this before. Sign up and it should bring you to this page. Once you're on this page, you're going to click new application, which is in the top right of your screen. And you're going to name it anything you want. So we're going to name it Mike's Test Bot for now. My name comes up and everything. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down to bot. You're going to click add bot. So now it's an official Discord bot. So you can find this as like a real user, but as a bot. And you can change the icon, the username, anything you want here. You're going to want to go down to the bottom of the bot permissions and give it administrator so you don't have to select everything. And then you're going to want to go up to OAuth 2. Always saying that wrong. Close enough. You're going to want to click bot and administrator. It should save automatically. And then you're going to see this link right here. You're going to copy the link, and you are going to paste it into Google. Once you paste it into Google, it should give you an option on what servers you want to put it in. I'm going to put it into SkillsBot Discord server, and administrator, and authorize. Might give you a I'm not a robot. Got to select the reCAPTCHA. Go. So once you've done that, it should go right into your Discord. Go right into your Discord. So there you have Mike's test bot. Oh god, okay. You have Mike's test bot, so you can see it's a real bot and everything. It has the bot role, all that good stuff. So yeah. Currently it's offline, as you can see, because you're gonna have to host this yourself. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go over here, and you're gonna go to your command prompt. So CMD into Google, or into your Windows, I'm sorry. Once you're there, you're going to, let me actually move this over. You're going to want to, once you're in your command prompt, you're going to follow what I do, which is going to be cd space download. Oh wait, sheesh. Okay, you're going to have to download this first. I'm sorry, I forgot that. So you're going to download the zip. It should be called download Discord bot master, and whatever number, because I've done it multiple times. So you're gonna unzip it, you're gonna open this, and if everything's here like this, the name, and we're all good, okay? So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to close this, you're gonna open command prompt, you're gonna type cmd downloads, exactly how it is, space, no caps. It's gonna bring you to downloads. You're gonna do cd Discord bot, and then it should just be able to hit tab, and it'll enter again, and then you're gonna do python.bot.py, exactly like that. And once you click enter, it should load for about 5-10 seconds, and then it should say bot ready or bot online. Bot is ready. Perfect. Now what you're gonna want to do is you gotta leave this open if you want the bot to run. It just has to run in your background. It doesn't have to be up on your screen like this. You're gonna close that, and you're going to go over to your Discord server. That over. And now, as you can see, the bot is online. It put this bot online because I already had it online, but normally this bot would go online. So that's pretty much all. You can't run multiple bots at once, so that's why this is the only bot that's online. But this bot works perfectly fine as well. Other than that, you have all these commands and everything. It's a great bot. I would highly recommend using it. The link to the GitHub, the Discord, and the Info on everything is going to be in the description of this video. If you need any help, be sure to come over to the Discord. We're happy to help you. If you have any suggestions, put in the Discord. We're also happy to take suggestions. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys all enjoyed the video and enjoyed the bot. And have a great day. Peace.